What are the common reasons for a Honeywell thermostat to stop working?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about Honeywell thermostats, specifically, the common issues that can cause them to stop working and how you can troubleshoot these problems.
Power problems.
One of the most common reasons for a Honeywell thermostat to stop working is power issues. This could be because of dead batteries, a tripped circuit breaker, or issues with the wiring. Make sure to replace the batteries regularly and check the circuit breaker that powers your HVAC system. If it's a wiring issue, you might need to hire a professional to fix it.
Thermostat is unresponsive.
Sometimes, a Honeywell thermostat may become unresponsive. This is usually caused by a lack of power or a software glitch. To troubleshoot, try resetting the thermostat by removing the batteries and putting them back in after a few minutes. If it's still unresponsive, you may need to reset the thermostat to its factory settings.
Thermostat is not heating or cooling correctly.
Another common issue with Honeywell thermostats is that they are not heating or cooling your home correctly. This could be because of incorrect settings, a dirty sensor, or a broken component. First, check that your thermostat is set to the correct temperature and mode. Next, clean the sensor gently with a soft brush. If the problem persists, there could be a broken component and you may need to call a professional.
Thermostat is not communicating with the HVAC system.
Sometimes, your Honeywell thermostat may not be communicating with your HVAC system. This could be due to wiring issues, a problem with the HVAC system itself, or compatibility issues. Check the wires connecting your thermostat to your HVAC system and make sure they are properly connected. If the HVAC system is the issue, you may need to call a professional. Also, make sure that your thermostat is compatible with your HVAC system. These are some of the most common issues that can cause a Honeywell thermostat to stop working. Troubleshooting these issues can be a relatively simple task, but remember, if you're unsure, it's always best to call a professional. We hope this video has been helpful in identifying and resolving issues with your Honeywell thermostat. Thanks for watching.